Howdy everyone. We're going to attempt to change the turn signal bulb in a 2005 Buick Rendezvous. Never did this before, but it don't look like it's going to be too big of a job, so let's get with it. There's 2 bolts here holding on. Well, that's not good. Yeah. Well, we should be able to pop this out now. Get it loose. Pull it back. There we go. Here on this one, you got a little clamp here. You got to push that and then turn it counterclockwise, I think. Take that out to make it a little bit easier to work with. These bulbs, if they've been in there for a long period of time, they don't come out too easy. Matter of fact, I had to actually get a pair of pliers to pull it out. Put it back in, but now since I've put it back in, it should open. Should be able to get open pretty easily now. So what you do, you see this little latch there. You turn it, and then you turn that, and there's your bulb. So now we're going to change the bulb. Change the bulb is pretty easy once you get this far. Put the camera over so you can see it. You don't twist it, you just pull it straight out like that. Put the new one in. Like that. Now, we go back to this point here, where you do just the opposite. You get it in the groove, and you turn it clockwise this time. You don't need to push on that, it'll just snap in place. And there you are. So at this point now we've got to hook this back up to this. And it just snaps together. You can look in there and see where it goes. Goes like this. Got it. Now we just do the exact opposite when we pulled it out. Now you notice you got 2 little grooves there, and if I show you over here, you can see where they go into. Make sure you get them started, otherwise this is not just going to step out, kind of lay out a little bit. So make sure you run them into the grooves. Not quite as easy as it looks, to be truthful with you. Oh well, that thing popped out. So we need to put that in first. Yeah, there we go. Start the screw. Make sure you hold it in good when you put it in. Okay, she's in. Now, remember, we broke off this piece. So, a screw's not going to work too well. So I'm going to try to use this setup here with a washer and hold it in place. She ain't going nowhere. Now we're going to see if it closes and everything works. And she closed, no problem. Lights on. Lights on. Both of these are on. Both of these are on. And the left hand signal. Okay, we're going to try it with the right one on. On, and the right turn signal works. Now step on the brakes. Good, good, good. We'll do it again. Okay, working fine. Thank you. And it looks like we got it fixed. I don't like having to do something like that, but the thing is, it's better than buying a whole new lens assembly. And it's on there good and tight. It's not coming off. So that's how you change the turn signal bulb. Y'all have a great day.